Hey YouTube, this is Andrea coming to you with my Rite haul. Now, I'm going to try to explain this to you so you guys won't be confused. So, because it's two separate deals, but it's double dipping. And by double dipping meaning that the monthly deal is combining with one of the weekly deals. Okay, but first I'm going to talk about the freebies for the week. If you look in Rite Aid's current ad, right on the front page, you can cut out this coupon right here. And for Optic White, Total Advance, Optic White Max, or 2-in-1, you can get it for free if you have the 50 cent off coupon, or you would, if you don't have any coupons at all, you would have to pay 50 cents out of pocket for 1 pack of toothpaste. Or you can, if you have any of those printables for $1 off, you can have a 50 cent overage. Okay. And so what I did was I picked up 4 of them, and I had printables for 1 card, and then I had these right here. I'm going to show you real quick. Uh-oh, my receipts are falling. So, sorry about that. All right. So, but for this one right here, Lord, I'm just butterfingers, right? So for you see this, it says sparkling white. This is one of the Colgate boxes right here, you guys. So in the inside of those Colgate boxes, you have $1.50 off coupons for the Optic White mouthwash, and you also have $1 off coupon inside of these boxes for the toothpaste. And I use 4 of those. As you can see, the box is already cut up. I use 4 of those. And note, these sparkling white is the only one that has that coupon in the inside. So make sure to pick up the sparkling white so you can have you some extra coupons. So like I said, I had 50 cents in overage. So 4 of these gave me $2 in overage, okay, to go towards my whole, this entire transaction. Now, what I do want to talk about this week in Rite Aid is you buy, if I find the page, right here. So these items right here, if you buy one of these items, the Crest Select toothpaste and the toothbrushes and the mouthwash and the dental floss. Now, I didn't see any dental floss coupons. You may have some, but I didn't in my P&G. But when you buy one, you use the $1 off coupon that we have in the P&G. You pay $3 and you get back $3. So all of these items, that you can do the deal twice. So that means you can pick up 2 toothpaste, 2 toothbrushes, and 2 mouthwash, or 2, floss or whatever. And that right there, if you pick up 2 per, like 2 of each, that'll bring you back. You pay $18 out of pocket, plus you get $18 right back, you guys. Okay, so, but remind you, this deal, which is this week's, is rolling into last week's deal. So you are rolling your deal into this one right here, the spend 30, get back 1,500 points. Because I only did the deal twice last week. Well, this is a monthly. The one in this week's ad, this week's right here, this one is a weekly deal, you guys. So don't get them mixed up. But it is part of the monthly deal that's going on for the whole entire month of July. So what I did was I had, when I picked everything up, and like I said, if you got the $1 off coupons, it'll give you $2 in overage. Here is my receipt. As you can see, I picked up 2 of the toothbrushes, 2 of the toothpaste, and 2 of the mouthwash. Now, I picked up 2 puffs, and I'll explain why in a few seconds, because I wanted to get my total to the $30 because I didn't have anything tracking from last week. So here's my receipt right here, and you see that $3.99. We're going to talk about that in a few seconds, because everything else should have said $4, but it didn't, and I'm going to explain that. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm moving pretty fast. So you see that because it gave me that overage, I had my total came to $18.26. So if you don't have those coupons, it's not going to be any overage for you guys, okay? So I got back the 1,800 points. So I spent 18.26 or whatever, yeah, and then got $18. So that transaction was absolutely free. Now, the reason why it was $3.99 on there is I want to tell you, these are included on the weekly deal. But these right here are not included on the monthly deal. So do not pick these up, you guys. Yes, it's a leader. I understand that if you want your points to track, if you want your amount to track for the 30, spend 30 and get the 15 back, do not pick this one up. I only grabbed this last one because I had picked it up the first time, but when I went back, it was only 3 of the regular mouthwash. I noticed that my amount that was tracking towards my 30 was not the right amount that I was looking for, and this was the problem because I picked this up. It was $3.99. It is included though in the spend buy one and then get the 300 points back. So that is included. But don't pick that up if you're tracking for your spend 30, get 15 back. Okay, you guys. So I ended up taking it back, and what I did notice is that when you let's see right here, as you can see on my receipt, before I took it back, I was tracking $19.84. So even though I took it back, it still left me with that $19.84. And so I picked up 2 of the regular kind, the smaller bottles, and it ended up tracking for that. You see, I had $27.84, I believe. I'm trying to get it to focus. There it is, $27.84, tracking towards the personal care to get my 15 back. So that's why I picked up the puffs. And here is my receipt right here. The puffs rang up at $159 gold, but they are $199 regularly. And so I used 2 50-cent off coupons. I paid $1.09 for both of them. And then I got back my 1,500 points for the monthly deal. So I left there with the 1,500 points from the monthly deal, and I also left with the 1,800 points from the weekly deal. You see right there, you guys. I hope I did not confuse anybody with this video. If I did, apologize, and maybe I can answer your question. So I left there with $33 and plenty points, you guys. So if you do it the way that I tell you, just pick up 2 of each, and that should have you tracking like because let me see, 8 times 4 is $24 right there. You can pick up something else that's on that monthly deal for the spend 30, like the pads, 2 boxes of the pads or whatever, because you only need $6. You can pick up the shampoo if you have that. Even if you want some more of the toothbrush and the toothpaste, you can even pick up that, but you're not going to get, picking up 2 of them in this transaction on one card, you're maxing out the deal, but they are still included. So you can pick up 2 more toothbrushes, 2 more mouthwashes, or 2 more toothpaste and still have it tracking. I just get toothpaste and mouthwash and toothbrushes all the time for free, and I don't get a lot of tissue. I don't get a lot of pads and stuff like that all the time for free, so I decided to opt out and pick these up right here, you guys. So I hope I explained that. I hope I did not lose anybody. I did this deal on my second card also. That's why you see this extra stuff over here. I picked up 2, and this scope right here, and this crest back here, you guys. But remember, this will not track for the spend 30, get $15 in points, but it will track for the buy one and then get $3 back in points. Okay, you guys. I hope I didn't confuse you guys. I confused myself, but I hope I hope that explains everything. You guys have a blessed day.